Eat a clove of garlic in the morning and it will change your life. Garlic, a relative of onion, is rich in medicinal compounds and nutrients such as lysine, iron, sulfur, silicon, iodine, selenium, magnesium, and vitamin B. These benefits make it an ally for health. It regulates sugar levels, prevents thrombosis, reduces the risk of cancer, and strengthens defenses. It also regulates blood pressure, improves bone health, relieves stomach discomfort, and fights infections. In addition, it helps with skin problems, male power, and prevents neurodegenerative diseases. To consume it, it is recommended to take a clove of fresh garlic without chewing, crushing it and drinking it with water when you get up. However, it is not recommended in cases of hemorrhage, lactation, pregnancy, or hypotension. Subscribe for more tips.
Consejos.